You know that time it is. Someone's gonna get a special treatments. You know the best part about it? Ray laughed it. That needs to be sent to you. You might see what it does. See? What did I tell you? It really will brighten up your day. Come on, this is great. It's just owning a little radioactive. Don't worry, it's not gonna do anything to you adrenally, but you know, it's just come. I just really love you. You know, I just love you so much. Come on, don't be so naive. You know, just give a good look at it, huh? You know, I just really am such a huge fan of yours. I really love you, you know? I just gotta give you something that will make you feel so happy and satisfying. So why not? Just give me a little doses of this. I mean, I'm not sure how much doses, but about 90 of this. So what do you say? Huh? Come on. You know you want it. Come on, let me just get it in there. Just a little. Oh, come on, there we go. Come on. No, come on. Come on, get in there. Yes, good, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, boy, you're just so great. Oh, just a little bit more. Yep, a little bit more. There we go. Yeah. Oh, wow, you did a good job. I just finished. Oh. Well, I guess I should be just behaving. Have a good time.